the shadows of the non-forgiving stands a silhouette of a warrior, awaiting resurrection.
I've come home to prepare for my destiny.
Aye. What are we waiting for?
With a power so raw, grace and beauty pushed to the point of eternal pain.
Come on, Bert! Get it on! Get it on! Pull, son! Come on, Bert, pull! We're gonna beat that Brock Lesnar! Ride the wave, kick! Push harder, son! No stopping! This is WrestleMania, Duke! Get your back into it! Ah, don't give up! Come on, son, you've forgotten everything!
In the battle of the resurrected, there can only be one who walks the road to glory. He will be the one.
More, son! Come on, Bert! Get it on! Get it on! Up! Now he's ready to vanquish the beast.